Sforza Castle, also known as Castello Sforzesco, is a historic fortress located in Milan, Italy. It is one of the most famous landmarks in the city and is a significant cultural and historical site. The castle was originally built in the 15th century by Francesco Sforza, the Duke of Milan, and his family, the Sforza dynasty. It served as a military stronghold and a symbol of power for the ruling family. Over the centuries, the castle underwent several expansions and renovations under different rulers, including Ludovico Sforza and Spanish and Austrian dominions. Today, Castello Sforzesco houses various museums and art collections, making it a popular cultural destination for locals and tourists alike. The castle complex covers a vast area and includes several museums, courtyards, and gardens. Some of the notable attractions within the castle are: 1. Museum of Ancient Art. This museum displays a collection of artworks and sculptures from the medieval and Renaissance periods. 2. Museum of Musical Instruments. It houses a remarkable collection of musical instruments from different historical periods. 3. Egyptian Museum. The museum exhibits a collection of Egyptian artifacts and antiquities, including mummies, statues, and funerary objects. 4. Pinacoteca del Castello Sforzesco. This art gallery showcases a collection of masterpieces by renowned artists such as Michelangelo, Bellini, and Canaletto. 5. Castle's Archaeological Museum. It presents archaeological findings and artifacts that provide insights into the history of Milan and the castle itself. Apart from the museums, visitors can explore the castle's courtyards, such as the central fillaried courtyard and the fountain courtyard. The castle's exterior also features impressive architectural elements, including towers, battlements, and a massive central gate. Castello Sforzesco is not only a cultural hub but also a recreational space for locals. The castle's surrounding grounds include expansive gardens and parks, where people can relax, picnic, or enjoy a leisurely stroll. Overall, Sforza Castle is a remarkable historical site in Milan that offers a blend of history, art, and outdoor spaces, making it a must-visit destination for travelers interested in the city's heritage and culture.